This video will be about number 39. Just want to show you a couple of designs. Now in this design, I connect only the center dots, okay? It's only a ring, And what I connect to the ring is this over here. That center is number 5. I put these three together, here, here, and here, and I lock it. In between, that's number 3. I put here, here, and here together. In between is number 7. I don't have here and I don't have here because we put 3 and 3. I have to fill in one piece and what piece. This would be the lock. I'd put an area here like a beam that moves right into this and a beam that moves into this, and two systems will now live off of this system here. The left system and the right system. 3 and 1 and 3 and 1. Here is your 9, a different system. Square in the center, square around, fold these in. You have this one, you have your pyramid. This is the way it'll look. If you made it a little bit bigger, we make the Magen David. We extend the Magen David because we have to go around the corners. How do I go around these corners? I didn't draw it yet, and I can show you how I go around the corners. But what I have to show you first is I need 9 areas in here. I have, let me see if I have that correct. Yes, I have the 9 areas inside of here, but it's not the 9 I'm looking for. I'm trying to look for the full extension all the way out to here, where I can come all the way across this bar, come all the way down this bar. You see there's one flap over here on this side, and there's one on this side, but the reality is it's one piece from here to here, like a razor blade, and one piece from here to here. That's not the way I drew it. I drew this piece here. I went from here, I started here. I took this star, and from this star, I connected from here, down to here, up to here, and over to here. I took this star, okay, and I connected from here. Not down here. I connected from here, to here, to here, and to here. I connected this piece onto here, and this piece, and then this is what it does for you. Are we going up onto the cross? Okay, now what do I want to talk about in this video? I want to talk about number 39, which says sky. C for 3, C. I for 9, 9 and 3 is 12. U. You have U, L, C, A, and B. It says Kabul, sky, Kabul, sky. You see, the words we use in our learned languages, and what you may hear all over people using in certain religious cults of the Kabbalah, is because it's already in there in the letters. It says it itself. And in English, it says sky. We have number 39, which is O and X. So in the center of everything is O and X. See the way we connect the first box to the last box, the top world to the bottom? In the next world, we have 16. It is the pew, like in a church, the letters 16 and 23. A, B, C, and the light. 1 and 6, 2 and 3, 6 and 2, the dog light. 18 and 17 and 22 says Q and V. Okay, now you can look at it many ways. Both of them are a representation of the U. The Q is what turns the U. It's a queen and a jack. 2 different languages, the head and the tail, to life. The letter V says to life. B and B. Why do we need B and B? Because B and B, B and B. 2 cubes on the outside of the 1 cube and 2 cubes on the outside of 1 cube give us this dimension. Here's the 1 cube, 4 times the size of this cube. Don't forget, the single cube is its own life, and then we create cubes around it for the area space that that owns the center, the heart of it. Now we go 18, R and U. R, U, A, B. Are you Father? 39, R, angel resident, and the cube. 666, 777, the spirit of 76, 13, 13, 13 equals 444. 13, 13, 13, as we saw in the last video. 19, 20, S and T. Spirit, time, sky. Spirit, time, sky. Angel resident, the cube, sky. In the pew is the sky. The queen and the jack are in the sky. 14 and 25, the 14th letter is N, 25 is NY, nueve, in the new sky, new wave sky, the Western Avenues. Inside the initials New York is the Western Avenues. 1326 is MZ. Me, Z. I am the end. I am the end. Z, Z, or ZD, or the Zeta, or the grandfather. M, I am the sun, and I am Venus the queen. 2662 reverse. MZ, me. You can go AM, FM, Z. We're not going to do that. We go to 12. There's no letter, so we use the numbers. I am creation. I am the B Gates. I am B Gates. I am who I am. I am her. I am mother of alpha beta. I am the red gates. 2 and 7 equals to red. 14. Okay. 14. 14th letter. 2 by 7. 14. 2 and 7 is 9. They equal 23. W. I. 14. N. Win. B. I. G. Win. Big red gate. In the eye of mother. When you can see 11. One side and the other side. I'll show you that in another design if I have it. I'm going to try and show you the other design. 11 and 28 is within the moon. From one side 9 birth is the other side the moon. B gates. Again, instead of the 7th gate, it's now the 8th gate because we're out in the world. 10 and 29 again says the sky of the big red gates. 10 equals automatically 16 and 29 equals to I am the sun, the foxhole, and the birth of the gate between 9 and 10. 30 becomes creation, becomes 36, becomes 45. And then here it says I am Hashem. Why am I Hashem? H and M, the 13th letter. A and C, the energy. I am Hashem. 7 and 32 is I am the gateway. G and 32 is I am the gateway beta creation. We stop at the 7. I don't go to the 6 because we all know what 6 and 33 is. That is creation. 633, 198. 6 by 30, 6 by 3, 198. The high spirit. We are of the high spirit because we are of the birth of the high spirit. And that's all your number 39s. 3 and 9 is 12. 3 and 9 is 12. 3 and 9 is 12. Lovejoy, 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 equaling the 44, 44, 44, in which 1,440 minutes in a day multiplied by 18 of the reality of the Mayan time is times 18 months. So we multiply it by 18 months just to understand this, and the division is 25,920. 19 by 19 is 361. This is apparently the cycle of the moon and the Hebrew years. 361 by 4 equals 5776, the year we are in. 76 times 76 equals 5776 of the year of 4444, and this is Dada's DNA. 14 and 69 equal to the 1010 world. 414 is the birth. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Can I show you one more picture or one more design? I'm going to try and design here the walking staircase. This, okay, is the same thing as this. Do you see it over here? This one over here? You see this one over here? You see this one over here? It's the same thing as this over here. Walking staircase or winding staircase. When this spins, you see the straight line here? When this spins, this will sweep onto this side as this will sweep onto this side. Raphael, thank you for watching.